Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jabra earbuds to laptop instant link step by step clearly. First, ensure your Jabra earbuds are fully charged. Next, take the earbuds out of their charging case. Press and hold the power button on the earbuds until you see a flashing light. This indicates that the earbuds are in pairing mode. On your laptop, click on the Start menu. Open the Settings app by selecting the gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Devices. Select Bluetooth and other devices from the menu on the left. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Choose Bluetooth from the options that appear. Your laptop will start searching for nearby devices. Wait for your Jabra earbuds to appear in the list. Once they show up, click on the name of your earbuds. Follow any prompts that may appear to complete the connection. After a few moments, your laptop will confirm the connection. You should now hear audio through your Jabra earbuds. If you encounter any issues, make sure the earbuds are still in pairing mode. You may also want to restart your laptop's Bluetooth. Revisit the Bluetooth settings if the connection fails. Once connected, enjoy your audio experience with the Jabra earbuds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.